Jaywalk, Jaywalk, Jaywalk.
What's good, everybody? It's your boy GTG, Greg the Dancer, and today I'm finna show y'all how to jaywalk. So yes, drop a like, subscribe, leave some comments too, but by the end of this video y'all gonna know how to jaywalk. Alright, so the first secret when you're doing the jaywalk and when you're doing the Charleston, you're walking in a straight line. I'm gonna teach you guys how to do the Charleston because jaywalking came from the Charleston, and it's gonna make it much easier to learn the jaywalk. Alright, so let's get straight into it. We're gonna Charleston first. When you're doing a Charleston, you're walking in a straight line, right? And when you walk in a straight line, you're gonna bring your leg over like that. So this is what it looks like. Leg over, leg over, leg over, leg over. But there's a twist to it. When you do the Charleston, you want your heel to come out like you're kicking the ball. So it's straighten it up, straighten it up, And the last step to it, both of your heels need to cross at the same time. So when this heel comes like this heel goes like that. So the Charleston, it's like, straighten it back, straighten it back, So when you do the Charleston all together, it looks like, All right, looking good. Now that y'all know how to Charleston, we finna learn how to jaywalk. It's finna be real quick and simple. So smash that like button. Okay, so the only difference is when you jaywalk instead of Charleston, your legs are gonna be straight. You know, the Charleston slings the legs around. You want your legs to be straight. So in order to do that, you wanna keep your legs close together, and then you move one foot in front of the other. Let's get into it. So instead of going like this, we're gonna keep our legs together, right? Bring one leg in front, cross, uncross, bring the other leg in front, cross, uncross, other leg in front. So the trick is, the Charleston goes like this. With the jaywalk, you kind of going like this, this, this. So try not to bend your knees. When you take a step, you cross, just like the Charleston. You see that little gap right there? Yeah, that's how you know you're doing it right. Uncross, bring your other leg, cross, uncross, the other leg, cross, uncross, other leg, cross, uncross. Also, when you're doing a jaywalk, you want to balance on the leg that goes in front. So whichever leg steps in front, you're going to balance on the front leg to bring this leg forward. Then you balance on this leg, because otherwise you'll be like falling over, stumbling. It's not a normal movement, right? So you gotta practice and get used to it. Like, people don't walk like that on a regular. It just don't happen like that. But for this move, that's how you do it. So the trick when you do the jaywalk, you're balancing on one leg. So the leg that you bring around, you're balancing on the opposite leg. So while you balance on this leg swings around. Then you balance on this leg so the other can swing around. So check this out. I'm balancing on this leg for this leg to come around, swivel. Now I'm balancing on this leg, swivel, balancing on this one, swivel, balancing on that one, swivel. I'm gonna jaywalk in slow motion so you guys can pick up on the footwork, you dig? So, like this.
Jaywalk, 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 jaywalk.
Let me see you smile, and then you jaywalk. Let me see you smile, and then you jaywalk. Let me
Jaywalk, 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 jaywalk.
All right, and since it rained out here, because you could tell by the motion, it was a little too slippery to do it with the shoes I got on, but that's how you jaywalk. So drop a like, thumbs up, subscribe.
Ain't on my soul, if I make it, I'm breaking all my niggas. Lil' Malata's so official, crop you out the picture. He be capping that boy line, he not by this issue. And on the shit, bitch, I walk around and roll a tissue. And all these niggas, they my sons, I'm a father figure. I feel like Kodak Cloud, I might slay a nigga.